In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your files to Google Drive in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to secure your important documents or free up some space on your device, Google Drive offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for all your storage needs. Now let's dive into the process. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Drive at drive.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Just log in with your usual credentials and you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google profiles, so you don't inadvertently store files in the wrong place. Once you're signed in and on your main Google Drive page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a colourful plus new button. This button is your gateway to adding new files or folders to your drive. Give it a click. A small menu will appear with a few options. Here you'll want to look for either file upload or folder upload. The choice between these two depends on your specific backup needs. If you're looking to back up individual files, select file upload. Alternatively, if you're planning to back up an entire folder with multiple files inside, then go for the folder upload option. This feature is incredibly handy if you're dealing with a large number of files, as it maintains the organization structure of your folders during the upload process. After you've made your choice, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your device's storage. Take a moment to find the files or folder you wish to back up. Once located, click on them to highlight your selection and then hit open. If you're backing up a large number of files or a bulky folder, the upload might take some time. It's always good practice to ensure you're connected to a stable internet source to avoid any interruptions. As your files upload, you'll notice a progress bar appearing at the bottom right of your Google Drive interface, providing you with a visual representation of the upload process. Once the upload is complete, your files will be safely stored in Google Drive. You can now access them from any device with internet connectivity, ensuring that your important documents are always within reach. And that's it, you've successfully backed up your files to Google Drive. Remember, regularly backing up your data is an essential part of digital hygiene, helping protect against data loss and ensuring peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.